And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So have you ever felt like life keeps testing you as if the universe is saying, can you handle this? What if I told you that the way you see these challenges could actually change your life? So, tonight, I want to talk about something very close to my heart, choosing possibilities over challenges. So, life isn't always easy. Even in our daily routines, unexpected obstacles show up, sometimes small, sometimes big. I had moments when I felt overwhelmed, uncertain, and even ready to give up. But I learned something powerful. It's not the challenge that defines us. It's how we respond to them. So let me share to you a personal story. A few years ago, there was days when I felt very heavy. I have responsibilities, worries about the future, and things I cannot control. Every step forward seemed blocked by obstacles. And started asking myself, why me? Bakit ako? So it was in these moments that I realized I had a choice. I could focus on the problems and felt stuck, or I could focus on what's possible, no matter how small the steps. So I made a conscious decision. I will look for possibilities, not walls. I will focus on solutions, not setback. And sometimes amazing things happen. Suddenly, these challenges didn't feel so paralyzing. I started seeing opportunities I never noticed before. I discovered a strength in me that I didn't know existed. I realized that optimism is not just a feeling, it's mindset. And your mindset can literally change your reality. So every time you choose to focus on possibilities instead of problems, you open doors. You attract solutions, you become stronger, more resilient, and even more inspiring to the people around you. So think about your life for a moment. Maybe it's your finances, your family's responsibilities, your studies, or your career. Something has tested you recently, hasn't it? So here's the thing, life will always throw challenges at us. That's normal. But you don't have to let them control you. You can choose your mindset. You can choose to see the possibilities behind hiding behind these difficulties. It's like this. If you stare on a wall long enough, it looks unbreakable. But if you step back, take a deep breath, and look from another angle, you might see a door you didn't notice before. So your mind is that powerful. It can see doors, windows, solutions, or it can only see walls. So that is your choice. The choice is yours. So today I challenge you. Choose possibility. When life tests you, ask, what can I learn from it? Where is the opportunity hiding? How can I move forward with optimism? It won't make the challenges disappear, but it will change how you experience them. It will make you stronger. It will make you unstoppable. So every time you choose possibility over fear, over doubt, over worry, you take control of your life. You inspire others just by showing that it's possible to rise above. So thank you for sharing this cup of coffee with me. And at this moment, you need to remember possibilities are always within reach. If only if you choose to see them. So stay optimistic, stay realistic, resilient, sorry, and let your mindset shape your lives. So this is Lori reminding you that every challenge is a chance to grow, to rise, and to choose possibility. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. That would be tomorrow, 11th of November, 7 p.m. PH time, and 8:30 p.m. Australia time. So I will have a very, very, very special guest who will definitely inspire you to take ownership of your life, your health, your future. So watch out for it. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.